Drawing lesson number 8. The next step after stick figures, thick figures. Drawing people as stick figures is a good way to get correct proportions, but people aren't made of sticks. So you need to add some thickness to your figures. This is done by building shapes around the stick skeleton. Notice that some parts are thicker than others. Here I am adding thickness to a simple stick leg. Notice that the leg gets thinner towards the knee and also thinner towards the ankle. Try to observe the shapes in people you draw. When adding thickness to a whole figure, first add the biggest parts, the rib cage and the hips. Then add thickness to the arms and legs. Just like when you were drawing stick figures, you should pay attention to proportions or measurements. Maybe compare how thick the arms are to the size of the head, or compare how thick the legs are to how long they are. Adding thickness is the next step before adding skin or clothes. Some artists mix this step in with the stick figure step. This step should be very loose and light gesture lines. This is just another step of planning before you're finished drawing. These lines on the head are to plan out the face. And here's where the neck attaches to the body. The rest of this video is sped up twice as fast. Don't get intimidated by how fast I draw in these videos. If you want to draw faster, then you need to practice. Everything becomes easier with practice. Even if it's hard for you to draw arms and legs the right thickness, or if you have a hard time making stick figures right, the more you practice, the easier it will become. Take your time at first. If you make mistakes, then don't give up, just try to learn from them. Don't forget what you learned in the first drawing lesson. It's normal to see problems with your drawings. Instead of just saying, "I don't like this drawing," ask yourself, "Why don't I like this drawing?" You're noticing problems because you're smart. Use your big brain to your advantage. Instead of, "I can't draw this," say, "I can't draw this yet." If you get stuck on something not looking right, then have a friend pose for you, or try to find a picture of references on the internet or in a book. Keep practicing. Try it out.